Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video we're going to unbox and look at the UGREEN's iPhone screen glass protector as well as the back cover specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So is it worth the extra money, or you could just go to the market and buy these regular glass protectors? Let's find out. First of all, here I have my iPhone 15 Pro Max and I have the regular glass protector. You can see it is have a lot of fingerprints and it's coming out from the side as well. You can see right here, so that's why I wanted to have a premium glass protector which also protects the glass as well. So for that I have gone with UGREEN's products. They are a little expensive from the market, but let's see if they are worth it or not. So I have bought both of them from Daraz. If you're interested, the link will be in the description. So here we have two things: phone protective case and tempered glass protectors. So both of these are from UGREEN, and here on the back we have the serial numbers as well as the model numbers of both of these products. The main thing is that they should be compatible with your phone, which I have checked when I ordered them. So first of all, we're going to install the tempered glass protector. On the top we have the seal. And inside we are going to have these different things. First of all, our tempered glass screen protector right here. So contents inside, as well our two tempered glass, because this comes with two glasses, so you can use one later if any one of your broke. So I'm going to put one aside, and here we have our tempered glass. You can see right here. So here we have the UGREEN peel option, so we're going to put it aside. Other than that, the envelope is empty. Here we have content inside: a wet wipe, a cleaning cloth, and a dust removal sticker, which are all necessary to clean your screen first. Again, you're going to have two of these because you have two screen protectors, so we're going to place one of them aside so we can use it later. And here we have an instruction manual on how you can place it, but I will show you in the video so you don't really have to read it. Other than that, we have our warning information things so that our phone doesn't slip when we're going to place on it. And here is the last thing to align it when installing our screen protector. So I'm going to show you. So these are all the different things that come with the screen protector. So in order to install the glass protector, if you have any old glass protector, just simply remove it from the iPhone, and once it has been removed, we can place our iPhone on this thing, which is an anti-grip thing, so our phone doesn't slips. So you can see our phone is going to be placed something like that. Now we can take our wet wipe and clean our iPhone. So before I do so, I'm going to just power off my iPhone so that I can see the screen clearly. So I'm going to power off the iPhone. Now the whole screen is black and I can easily see the dust particles. Make sure to clean all the edges of the screen as well. Now if you have any dust particles left, you can use the sticker to remove the dust particles as well. And once all the dust particles have been removed, we can align our frame. So you can see it looks something like that. So we're going to place it with this thing on the top of the phone facing the Face ID, and it's going to snap into its place something like that. Make sure not to touch the screen because we have just cleaned it. And now we can install our glass protector. For that, you have this UGREEN icon. Just pull it like that. Don't touch the bottom, so we're just simply going to place it in gently, drop it in from the mid, use your finger, and then we can use the thing to remove any bubbles. Here you can see that the screen or glass protector has been placed perfectly. So I should tell you that I was unable to remove the bubbles at the very first try. So what I did was remove the alignment tool. I peeled off the protector carefully not to break it. Then I placed the alignment tool back and retried with the protector, and that worked. So it's going to take some time if it is your very first time like me, but now it's looking pretty cool. Now what I can do is to power on my iPhone, and as the phone is powering on, we can unbox the back cover that we also ordered from Ugreen phone protective case. And here it is. So you can see it has the MagSafe ring, which means it is compatible with MagSafe chargers. And here we have the beautiful transparent. It also comes in the black color, but I like the transparent color silicone transparent case, as you can see. So it has a little bump on the camera so that they don't get damaged, your normal buttons and your speaker grills. And if I unlock it, you can see it's looking perfectly all right. So what I'm going to do is just simply apply the case, but before applying the case I'm going to use the same uh, alcohol swab or wet swab that were provided and clean the bag before applying the case, because it's most probably going to have some dust on the back and on the sides. So it's better to clean it first and then apply the case. Now that the whole back and sides are cleaned, I can just simply install the transparent case. And that's it. And man, does the phone look really beautiful with the transparent case. And now it is fully protected. It's going to have some protective bumps on the side, so if your phone falls, it's going to try to help in the impact. It's not going to fully protect it as it is not guaranteed, but it's going to help a lot in withstanding the drop. And the best thing is that since the glass protector and cover are by Ugreen, they are both compatible and none of them are bothering each other, so you can see. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing and installation video of the Ugreen glass protector and the back case. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.